Good morning, students. Welcome back to YouTube channel SchoolQuizz.com. As you know, my name is Danish Agarwal. As we have started our chapter number 2, that is matter around us pure. And today we will discuss our important technique that is sublimation. Sublimation. So let's start. That is chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 is matter around us pure, in which today we will discuss our technique that is sublimation. Separating technique that is sublimation. So as we know that what are sublimable solids, which in whose liquid part does not exist, as you see, like we use camphor. It gets converted from solid to directly to vapors or gas. No liquid phase exists. As you use incense sticks, we use incense sticks. You can see that its part from solid to gets converted into directly into gas. As you see, naphthalene balls which we use for our winter clothes. Okay, naphthalene balls, so they get converted from solid to directly to gas. That are called sublime solids or sublimable solids. So we will start our technique that is sublimation. So sublimation is separation of solid volatile component from a mixture. Separation of volatile component from the mixture. What are volatile components? Who gets converted into vapors, or we can say that whose vapors can be formed. So we can separate volatile component from the mixture. For example, if we take ammonium chloride and salt. As we know, ammonium chloride is our what? Ammonium chloride is our solid, our component, volatile component, whereas it is our non-volatile component. Non-volatile component. Suppose we have NaCl plus ammonium chloride in a beaker, and we will provide it heat. So we will plug it out with the cotton. So it is a mixture of sodium chloride plus ammonium chloride. As we see, when will we heat ammonium chloride? Ammonium chloride gets vaporized and gets stick at the corners of the flask due to it's a volatile component. So with the help of that, we can separate our volatile component from the non-volatile component, or we can say that volatile component from the mixture. So this is all about our technique sublimation. So we will note it down, what is sublimation and what are its applications. So sublimation is some solids have a tendency to some solids have a tendency to directly gets converted into gaseous state, or we can say that whose liquid phase does not exist. A mixture containing such solid with any other solid. A mixture with such solid and any other solid can be can be separated by this technique. Can be separated by this technique. Examples of solids, as we as I have already told you, examples of solids that sublime are example of sublime solids are camphor, naphthalene balls, incense sticks, incense sticks, etc. These are all are examples of sublime solids. Okay, so this is all about our today's topic, that is sublimation, in which we separate a volatile component from a mixture, or we can say that separate a volatile component from the non-volatile mixture. You can see like its daily life examples, like we use naphthalene balls. To like store our winter clothes. As winter is going on, we will store it with the help of naphthalene balls. We will put naphthalene ball, white color naphthalene balls in that clothes. That okay. Like we use incense sticks, we use camphor for our Durga Puja. Okay, so this is all about our today's topic, sublimation, which is a very important technique. It's very important also from the paper point of view. So this is all about our today's topic, that is sublimation. So thank you very much, students. Thank you very much.